Welcome, in front of me is VIVO Y19s, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password on your device. So the best option would be to take your time and try to remember the password that you entered the last time. This will save you a lot of work and a lot of time in the future. Also might save your data and personal information on your phone. If you really can't do this, then you should consider reaching out to VIVO Customer Support service and let them know about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of this device to them, then they will most likely help you recover your account and regain access to your smartphone. And the other option to consider is to perform a factory reset operation on your device, and you can do that by either using Find My Device feature if you didn't disable it on your phone. To do that, just find the Find Hub service by Google and log into your Google account there. You have to use the one that is connected to this phone, and once you do it, you can perform a factory reset operation, which will remove all data from your device, of course, right from there. So basically from anywhere in the world, and then regain access to your device once the operation is performed. And the other way to do that is to perform the hard reset operation locally. You can do this using recovery tools, and if you don't know how to reach them, then go ahead, check the full video on our channel that explains how to do that step by step. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.